Hello, hello, hello. How is everybody doing? Doing. You're you're late. Yeah. Why didn't any mod accept it? Yeah. No. You're late. Spark now. See? All right. How's your day, guys? All right. Tim is here. Okay. Imran is here. Hey. Mhm. Yeah. How's the YouTube chat? You alive? Still surviving? Did you guys take any trade? Spark, Mark, Tim, Imran? Yeah. Volume is still slow. Okay. So we need to wait. And tomorrow, okay. Non-farm change. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow New York session is going to be the excited one. Not like today. It was very slow today. Even though we take the trade, but the volume was very slow. Came after the move, the 4 hour flip bullish, and then it dumped hard. Oh, you're talking about New York session, this one? Yeah. Push up. Now it's back in the same range. Mm, On the flip of this daily, but right now Kitty is in the cell, so I don't want to mess up her entry. Mm, mm, One MGC. What is this, Kitty? Come on. Okay, then it's fine. Then it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Because that was before your payout. No, that was day before. So next when I'm gonna post. So I post like after 2 3 days. So definitely, why not? I'm gonna put on the DP. Whoever gonna come to my profile is gonna see your like a banner. Kitty, Kitty get the payout too. Why? Why? Now you're having more faith in the lucid. Start getting more faith. On trader weight? Trade C, okay. Why don't you why I mean you also trade on your PC, right? You don't trade on the phone. So even tablet is fine. Phone, no. So if you're trading on your PC or tablet, why don't you try trader weight? I'll Yeah, I'll help you set it up. It's not hard. You might gonna upload two, three accounts just learning, but you'll be fine. Mm, yeah. How much is the how much is the five account? So it depends. So right now I think they have a promotion where you can get 500K intraday drawdown with no activation fee around 295 or 395. I think it's 295. Yeah. Yeah, but they have intraday drawdown one. The end of the one, it's little expensive, but also they give you the daily loss limit. So even if you get the 50K one with $2,000 drawdown, you cannot lose more than 1,000. What size the account which I'm talking about? That's 100K one, and that's what I'm planning to get on. So if you get like 20 of these, it will cost you around 1,200, I would say. Mm, what happened? Mm, close friend? Mm, pe- people come and go. Don't worry about them. Don't worry. Oh, kitty cry. Oh. Traders have no emotion, I'm telling you. Traders. So which one is the bigger loss? Your friend or the bird? Okay. Yeah, definitely, definitely. I'm l- no, I'm trying to find something. I want to show you something. Very what? No, I'm wait. Okay. All right, Kitty. So you're ready? I want to show you something. Okay. Uh, Mm. I think that's the clip from movie, scary movie. Hey, Ari sings. Yeah, stay blocked, blocked. Your life is restricted. Mm. Mm. But that's already on the social media. It's not like I'm showing something, you know, it's already there. No, they said it's not. They're gonna restrict it. Uh, yeah, it looks like it's getting back in the range, and flip of the daily, looking for some buys. Stop's going to be the current daily lows, which is going to be that's too much. Oops. No, it's it's not too much. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Nobody is gonna talk about bird now. Did you lock it out as well, or just? Mm. No, no, they said flatten because closing means they're only gonna close all the open positions, but flatten means all the pending orders will also go away with that. Yeah, so same thing with the trader weight. So if you see at the top, it says exit at market and cancel all orders. So that's basically flatten in that platform on the trade sea. Hyper, the zero is back. Happening. What? Yeah. Not gonna lie, it was tasty though. Yeah. So it's back in the range. So it looks like once this once this daily flip, can we expect some push towards upside? I'm planning to take some buys on this flip of this daily. Yeah, yeah. Once this daily flip, we can expect. But again, the price, the volume, it's very CC right now. until maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So before NFP, it's gonna do uh, very, very slow move, but so Kitty, if I restart the live, so all the shares you do, they're not gonna work. Mm. I think he's paused. Yeah, he's on the call, but yeah, he's. Mm. Same vibes. No, guys, we're family. Yeah, yeah. And yeah, yeah. Let's get into some buys here. Let's go. 5 GCs. Yeah, once it starts breaking its highs, most likely that it can go towards 4165 zone. Okay, let's see. And once it starts breaking 4140, you can manage your trade by doing the break evens and taking those partials and whatever. Because at that point, it needs to keep pushing up. Because if it reject and then back inside the range, then I think it's gonna do the same thing what it was doing yesterday, ranging in the same zone. I'm still restricted, Kitty. They're not pushing it. Check oil. Yeah, it's full. I just get it changed. Nero. Yo, bro. Hey, Harmon. What's up, man? How you doing? Yes, Park. Man, don't they see like we are in the trade right now? Like, why are you diverting my focus? Okay. We need some beats here, guys. We need some beats here. Bum bum. Do we need bum bum or something else? Mm, Okay, price is gonna push up. 40 minis. 40 minis. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Once it starts pushing up, then it's going to be a fun. Go, go, go! We need oil for plane? No, we don't need oil. All we need is a one rocket and a good astronaut to push it up. And we're pushing very, very nice, smoothly. 12 G's in the house. Somebody's monthly salary or few months, I would say. Leverage. I think it depends day by day. Like sometimes like the Asian session is easy, sometimes NY is easy. So it depends on that. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, and yeah, NY it gives like the move in very specific window. If you catch it, you catch it. Otherwise, yeah, it's gonna be a hassle. Yeah. Once it starts breaking the size, yes, yeah. Mm. Yes. Tokyo Open is gonna go up, yeah. So now you put SL to the entry. And it's up to you if you want to do that. Okay, that's much secure, but most likely it will take you out. If you want to do it, it's 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 fine. Okay, I'm keeping it the same way right now. Once it starts breaking for 140s and 42, the higher of this daily, then I'm gonna do that. But you can do it because it can also drop, reject, and this is the risky one. But I'm just keeping it same. All right, let's go, let's go. If it take you out, that's what you're saying? Yeah, if guys, yeah, if you miss the entry or if you're late or if it take you out at the PE, wait for this hourly give a closure above this. Once it gives a closure above, then yes, on the next one, you can take the entry and get on this rocket. Why this zone? Because if the price is respected, touch it and then starts dropping, most likely it's gonna range like yesterday till maybe London session or maybe NY session. Okay, because during NY we have bunch of news upcoming tomorrow, and it's gonna do the volume is gonna be little slow till NFP. This track all dirty songs. Yeah, right now the price is back at break even. If you want to close it, you can close right now and wait for 17 more minutes till the Tokyo Open, the next hourly open. This push up gives a closure above, and then you can get on the buys again. For me, I'm not changing anything. I'm not doing the break evens. I'm not switching my SLs right now. Okay, I'm still gonna wait for the this hourly closure. If this hourly flip, that's different story. Okay, so I'm expecting some volume coming in, and that can push the price further towards upside. And once it starts breaking these daily highs, that's the point where I'm planning to do the break evens. Okay. Yeah. The page is still not on the FYP. Do we need to restart the live now? Yeah, appeal not approved. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it will take like 2 seconds. Yeah, now let's see if it changes. Mm. Load up first. Yes. Always. He's actually late. He thought this is the first live. Mm. 12 more minutes. This hourly about to close. So even if this close like this, on the flip of the next one, maybe I'll add more contracts in this. Let's see. So far, I'm not changing my position, nothing like that. Because this trade is taken on the higher time frame, which is 4 hour and daily. So hey KMD, thanks for share, man. Thanks for share. Yeah, guys, new here. BE took me out at BE Harmoon. Okay, wait for this hourly closure, and on the flip of the next one, you can take those. Okay. Hmm. And so, who's the big daddy of 4 hour? No, the daily, right? So if the daily is saying, I'm gonna go up, then 4 hour is nothing, you know. Uh, yeah, on the funded, wait for when the when okay, or you're yeah, usually do the funded when it's like high volume time or high possibility, like G plus setup. With this, I mean, slow session, use the evaluation accounts to do that. I mean, it's all right. Like it can still push up though. Once it starts breaks these highs, yeah, just don't risk too much. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, then it's fine. Yeah, yeah. With this hourly, okay, 10 more minutes. Hmm. Yeah. If you guys want to see that push, make sure you tap tap and listen to the lady. The live? Oh, share. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. The push is coming. Yeah, once it starts breaking these highs, that's where I'm planning to do the break evens. Right now, I'm not touching anything. To the moon, yeah. Not to the moon, it's yeah, it depends on the volume. What? You're getting out? Just 100. Flip days, yeah. No, yeah, it's good. Yeah, secure your funded one, yes. That should be your first priority. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, don't message. Sir, can I re-enter? No matter how many times, Kitty, you're gonna tell them and explain them, they're still not gonna listen. Yeah. 150 on that, so I'm already out. Okay, Eddie. Okay, great, great, man. Good. Who knows? Yeah. He's parking. Mhm. Or he's sleeping. Spark, you sleeping? He's like, oh, okay, okay, I'm coming on the call. Yeah. You said Kitty 100. Now you're getting greedy. Give me 200. Yeah. Now you're gonna now you're gonna see it break even, and then when you're gonna close, boom. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, no matter what, you're still gonna get your 100. Yep, yep, absolutely. Why not? Mm, there's a thing called sag. It is I don't know, spinach, you can say. Yes, it is. It's like a Punjabi dish. Anybody from the chat, they will know. It's like yeah, chips and cheese. Not so good, Ari. Chips and cheese, nah. Once in a while, it's fine. Mustard leaf, yeah. Rex, yes. So that's what it's made of with. We know sag. Yes, Harmon, yes. Sushi. Jane is eating sushi. Okay. Yeah, it's been a while since I eat sushi though. Harmon, are you Punjabi? With yes, it bro. Okay, okay, yeah. Punjabi, ਚੱਕ ਦਿਓ ਫਟੇ ਫਿਰ ਹੈ. All right, one more minute about this. This hour is about to close. Let's see. The next one might push down, create some lower wick. If it didn't give a wick, we're still already in. Who cares? And but once it starts breaking the daily highs, session highs, which is around 4142.3, then yes, we can expect a push towards 55s and 65s. Easy, but that require one thing, volume. 30 seconds and a big drop and hit SL and boom. And okay, new hourly open, nothing happened. Breaking the highs. Nice, nice, nice. Enjoy those buys, guys. Enjoy those buys. Now, whoever missed those move, wait for this hourly come down, and then on the flip of this hourly, you can take your buy entry, or if you want to add more contracts, you can do that, but wait for that lower wick first. Then you can do that. Not yet. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, but yeah, if the hourly now flip again, this would be the double confirmation for the price still gonna start pushing it up, because it touched little bit the daily highs and then drop. So let's see. Because next time if the price switch its trend, right now it's going down. If the flip happen now this time, most likely it will go up. But if it's respecting this zone, then yes. The only thing which I don't want to see is this range, because then you're gonna be in this range forever. Yeah. Now it looks like the hourly is gonna flip anytime. Who's breaking desk? When do you use the flip? Right now, when this hourly flip. Now it's gonna pump it up. Now it's gonna pump it up. Be ready. Fasten your seatbelts. The hourly is about to flip. Be ready. This rocket is getting some fuel. Now we can expect some push. It's done with some lower wick, and the pump it up is coming. All it needs a one flip. That's it. Why the chat is so quiet, guys? You guys are not even in the drawdown. What happened? Say something. Or just say hi in the chat. So I know you guys are still alive. Okay, the owl is flipping. Now we can expect some push up. Once it starts breaking this highs, this zone, yeah, it's gonna be a good push towards upside. A smooth push. Love you, FX. Hi. Jenny Singh hi, Spark hi, Pump. Okay. Okay. Good push. Yeah. See? Why upset? Mm. You guys tell me why upset. Price is literally doing nothing, staying at that 1 point. So, so are you trying to say I upset all the time? Yeah, thank you, thank you. Poker face. Yeah. And you get like over the years, you accumulate so much stress. Now your face is just like stressful all the time, even though you're stressed or not, but it looks the same. Don't worry, Spark. You're just in this for a few months. Give it few years, and then I'm gonna ask you the same question. Okay, it wants to push up, guys. It's wanna break up. Just need a little bit push, and then yeah, this rocket, ah, all the way up. Satisfaction. Yeah, it's about to break these highs. Let's see. Push, 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 push. Once it breaks these highs, yeah, it's going to be a nice 200 ticks are waiting for you at the top, just like that. Ooh, thoughts on re-entry? Christopher, how long have you been coming here? You know, I love that question. I'm late. Okay. Yeah. So if you're late, that's first of all, you shouldn't be late. Now, the first entry was here. The second entry, I said like once this hourly flips, so this is supposed to be your second entry from here, targeting around 4150s and 4160s for this session. Once the price starts breaking this, then planning to do the stops at break even and looking for some continuation towards upside. Yeah. So far you're on time. So far you're on time. Yeah, you're getting better. You do workout, Spark? Are you active? Like you do workout and stuff or no? I don't even know how. I see on the I think on the Discord, right? That's TikTok. Mm, what? Oh, this one, the doji. Yeah, yeah, I'm on the 15. Which were you talking about? The red one or? Mm-hmm. Yeah. But this is the new one, Kitty. This is this is the new one. The AMF one, it's introduced by Mr. Spark. You tell it's your method. Why are you asking me? Spark is crazy, crazy. All right, so we are how much? 100 ticks, just like that. In this garbage price action, guys, it's not ideal. Like this market scenario right now, it's not ideal. If you wanna do the break evens, you can do that. If you wanna take some partials off, you can take that as well. Because yeah, um, doing the risk free because if it needs to push up, right? So this is the time, this is the point where the price needs to break this and keep continue go up. If it starts pushing down or the flip, that means there's not enough volume and it's gonna range. And I hate staying or stuck in the range. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm taking my partial stops at break even, and yeah. Hi guys, hey Simon, what's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, do the BE now. I passed my eval, Rizwana. How long have you been joined the VIP? 2 days ago? 1 day ago? 3 days ago? No, that was crazy. A quick drop and up. Yeah. Yeah, that's why, guys, I told you, like, if you look 1 minute, 5 minutes, you're gonna see so much manipulation in the market, right? It's gonna create topic up and down, and it's gonna give you just confusion, nothing else. So minimum 15. Now imagine if you're seeing those quick drop down and up in 15, how you gonna see in the 1 and 5 minutes? It's gonna be crazy. So that's why I didn't switch my time frame, because this was taken on the daily flip. So daily is the big daddy of all 1 hour, 4 hour, 30, 15, 1 minute, 5 minutes, right? So right now we're communicating with the big daddy, not with these kids. So look at that. 2 days, 2 days and already passed your eval. Hopefully, Rizwana, you start soon. You start taking your payout. You have the pro one, right? Am I right? Then you get the payout in 3 days. And whatever you pay for the VIP or for the subscription, you're gonna make it in what? In one go, for maybe for yearly membership. And this is just the beginning, Rizwana. You're gonna see tomorrow gonna be a good volume, New York, not the garbage like today. And Friday it's gonna be crazy, crazy, crazy. Maybe we do Friday live on YouTube as well. We'll see. It depends on the mood. If Spark said so. Who are these guests? Oh, this is Spark. No, uh, wait, let me check on the yeah, I don't know how to go from here, man. I can't I can't find you on the TikTok. Wait, let me see on the phone. Maybe I. Mm, can you just DM me? So from the inbox, I just click that and just send me a message. Spark 123. What? Did you send a message? Yeah, just DM me. Yeah. No, no, here. On my account here. Because if you're on the call, then it's very hard. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh man, you're beast. You're beast. I'm gonna look like chicken in front of you, looks like. Oh man. Yeah, that's nice. Is this the recent one or it's like your peak time? Okay. Yeah, good man. You're in good shape. Mhm. Ha- Yeah. How long have you been going? Yeah, forever. Yeah. Mm. It's it's very necessary. I don't know people who don't go gym, who don't do anything, lazy, man, I don't know what they're doing with their life. Ah, and it's addictive too. Like once you're regular, once you start going, man, it's completely life change. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's yep, absolutely. I'm 6. And you look like maybe 6'3", 6'2", 6'2". Yeah, you're okay. My stops are at the break even, guys. Let's see if we survive this or what. If it take me out, man, this is the move we get like 100 ticks. That's more than enough. In especially in this price action, it's more than enough. But it shouldn't be because the price is breaking the highs again, and it's still in the volume is, I mean, as compared to this, if you see previously, what is this? This is garbage, right? So right now, looking at this clean bullish closure with the previous hourly, and this one is still moving, it looks like the okay, the volume is still here. Hopefully the price can keep continue pushing it up, targeting towards 4150s and the 4160s. But again, if we take out at the break even, I already booked my partials. If we take you out at the break even, so you can come back in the next session. You can, we're gonna always catch these moves during the NY session. And the news time is okay. So the news, okay, so we have the two newses, but the both are in the different time. Yeah, that's what I don't like it. But yeah, the first one is going to be 15 minutes after we're gonna start the live, and the next one is 10. So let's see. So how many of you are still in the trade? Type in the chat. Mm. Yeah, it's probably gonna start range. If it didn't pushing up now, most likely it's gonna like range in this zone from these highs and towards this 4130s. Yeah. So you're trading on your personal cap or mm. Have you tried that 4xe that broke? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, try it. See, yeah, give me the feedback. Like, do you like? Because like I don't trade on the forex side on that broker, but I used to trade with them, and they're like good. Like they give you the good latency. Yeah, mm, yeah, yeah. Try it small and yeah. And the guy in the chat, like whatever your questions are, you can ask him that. Yeah. No, the guy is in the chat. You can ask anything. He will help you out with like the signups or like the withdrawals, deposit. That's why I put him himself in this. So he's the head of like all the management. So whatever your issue is, you don't have to go to the chat support and going these random brokers. You can ask in the Discord. No, no, no. He's more like interested in like his own business and all that. So mm-hmm, mm-hmm, yeah. Yeah, yeah. No, he recently find out that I I start doing this live and all that. So yeah. All we need is withdrawals. That's it. Okay, price is still trying its best to break these highs. Let's see. Still struggling, guys. Still struggling. If you take me out, I'm not gonna get into another setup. I'm just gonna, I would say, chill and yeah, yeah. But still, I think there are possibility though. Still, but it doesn't matter whatever we think. It's gonna do its own thing. Yeah, Shopee, Shopee. But it's trying though. It's trying its best. Hmm. I believe it's gonna take out low for hour, then move up. Hmm. Yeah, there's one guy who joined the VIP, but I didn't see him in the Discord. I think its name is Kent Nicole. Are you in the chat? Kent Nicole? Hi, I'm here. Oh, you're the Kent Nicole. Okay. So, all right. NDK. All right. So what you need to do here, basically you have this Discord, right? So you need to connect your this account with the VOOP. So you know where you get the purchase from, the subscription. I haven't connected the Discord to my, yeah. So you need to do that. Okay. it's better to do it right now because when we're gonna start the new session tomorrow, then we won't be able to help you. Right now, we're just waiting, we're just chilling. So we can do this right now if you need help. Yeah. So do it before the New York session or do it right now because tomorrow it's going to be tough. Okay. Yeah. All you have to do is go to that VoP app and it will ask you about the claim your Discord access or claim Discord. And yeah, just connect this Discord and you will automatically have got the access for the VIP. Okay. Mashallah song for it to go up. Mashallah song, which one? Mashallah. It looks like it's gonna take me out. Mashallah. And yes, yeah, I'm out from this trade, guys. It take me out. Yeah, that drop, little bit lower wick. It took me out. Am I too? Yeah, Marie. Yeah, I mean, I think that was it for tonight because it's very slow price in Asian session. So now you survived that lower wick. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it will go up. Now it will fly. Jay, you were talking about this one, Habibi song. Habibi, please, please, Habibi. Le 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 le. Now it's breaking ice. What is this, guys? What is this? What is this? Spar. What is this, bro? Close your position now. Close your position. You cannot make money without me. Please, gold, please. Why? 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 Yeah, yeah, I think it, yeah, easily touched 4150s. 4150s easily achievable. Yeah. 80 or 70? Seven, no, 80 is tough, 70 is reasonable. Yeah. Mm, mm. No, that song only suits in the morning time. Yeah, that that works more during mornings. As usual, take me E and fly. Yeah. So what? Just had to pick the energy of the music and yep. Habibi, please. Yeah, it's still breaking those highs though. Kitty, are you still in? Or you're it also take you out? Kitty probably sleeping. Chat, how many of you are still in these buys? Because it can easily touch now 4 150s the way it's pushing up slow and steady, and then the furthermore 60s and 70s. Out a while ago, okay. TP was 4149. Oh yeah. Yeah, it will hit it. If we take you out, definitely gonna hit it. Rick. Yeah, the 4 hour closure is also coming in 17 minutes, 4 hour and hourly. Okay, so don't try to get into the FOMO and take those buys yet. If you miss the full push, wait for the 4 hour closure, or the next one might come down, gonna create some lower wick, and then on the flip of that, you can sit on the same trade. But until then, you probably need to wait now. Let's see if the volume is still here, it can start keep pushing it towards upside. So what can happen here in this scenario, the price can touch 4150s or 55s and then gives a little bit wick before the closure of the 4 hour. The next one comes, touch this zone, and then on the flip of that, that would be a ideal buys again for the continuation towards upside. But that requires some volume. I mean, there is volume, but there's also not volume. So if even if you take those buys, it's gonna go like slow, 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 but eventually it's gonna just go in one direction, which it looks like it. The actual level is 58, not 55, 58. 58 is the, you see here, can you see this white line? Yeah, but the 50 55 is much secure because sometimes price never, I mean, it didn't touch that exact zone. So that's your, I would say, secure exit, you know. So some people they're like, okay, I'm gonna place my TP here or something like that, price go up without touching that. Most likely it's gonna, because if you see here, this one, uh, all right, this is the 55, right? So this is sometimes price gonna touch it, and then you're gonna see that it will go down, and then like, oh, my TP was like 20, 30 ticks away. It might just touch it, why it didn't, and so that's like to secure, like, I mean, it's just 20, 30 ticks away, but the actual zone which I marked here is like 58, you know? Yeah. So 50 is just touch. Yeah. Next 50 ticks. Let's see. Yes, so far from entry, 150 ticks. So at some point now we can expect a retracement, because this is, it might touch it, and then do not take buys now, guys. I know so many of you start having this FOMO, who already like price take you out or didn't get any trade. Do not get into the buys at this point. It's very, very wrong. Okay, it might go up. You probably make like 50 ticks, but not all the time. So there is high chances, like I would say 70% chance that the price gonna retrace because of the closure and touching this zone. So when there's low probability trade, what you need to do is stay away and wait for the retracement, and then on the flip of that, you can look for those buys. Okay. Take your profits, Spark. Take your profits. Yo, FX Killer, how you doing, man? How's everything? 4172. Yes. Just stream, but before that, you might gonna experience some turbulence. And then it's gonna be boom, boom. So don't forget, we have tomorrow New York session as well. Easy peasy. Yes, Jay, easy peasy, man. So Jay, if you're on, even if you are on your holiday, why don't you do that life of a millionaire trader taking trades while traveling? And then you're walking around at the airport, sitting there, taking the trades, making the money, you know? So at this point, all you need to do is wait for some retracement. That's it. You cannot buy here, you cannot sell here for those retracements. No. So just sit here and look at Mr. Spark's profit. That's it. Okay, I think yes. Uh, Andy, yes, or Nicole. Yeah, try to make sure like you have the similar name on the Discord and TikTok chat, so it's easier for me to know like okay, you're the same guy, and I will respond you in a better way, because these freeloaders and there's difference. It's nice to have a break. What break, man? Come on, Jay. What? Are you like a kid or a girl? You need a break? Come on, Jay. Come on. Be a man. You're a man. Are you? Wonderful, wonderful push, guys. All you need, one good trade per session. That's it. And one ding, 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 ding. That's all. 55. 55. 'On the Lucy was the better trading view or Ninja? I'm doing the evil right account right now. I had to sign something straight away. Is that normal? Yes, that's normal. So Nicole, so the easiest way to trade like the platform wise, it's the trade C. Let me send you which one, okay? Mm, Mm. Yeah, so you see, when you check out with the Lucid, so you need to get this rhythmic one and download the Trade C on your phone and also on your computer. Once you get it, okay, I'm able to change it now. Did you take any trades on your account or no? If it's brand new account and you didn't take any trade, then yes, you can switch it. No, okay. Yeah, so you can switch it. So message their support. It will take maybe 1 or 2 days, but eventually they will give you the trade C access. Okay. 58. 58. Take everyone out and go up. Sam, hi. Bye. Spark, you having fun? Uh, yeah. 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 And yeah, it literally touched that 58. That's a very, very special zone, I would say. So now the hourly and 4 hour might come down for the lower week, but the price already push around 250. 250 ticks. No fighting, guys. Is it gonna stop or keep pushing it up? Look at this. This literally give a lit. Yeah. Why what? Yeah. I'm crying. Yeah. But it's at the point where you cannot take the buys yet. So the price is too bullish to take the sell side, and it's already pushed up too high to take the buys right now. So it's better to clap for Mr. Spark and happy for him. Yeah, 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 but yeah, Now you can breathe. Now you can breathe. Long Chi W. Yes, Long Chi. But today volume is still much better than yesterday. Yesterday it was garbage. Even in the London session, like saw it later, like it's just strange. And New York as well. So it looks like we can expect some good moves upcoming tomorrow and rest of the days for this week. Can you tell me why you tell me that platform? I thought Ninja Trader was the best. No, Nicole, Ninja Trader. These trades say it's the best platform. It's very easy, user friendly. You can take trades on your phone, on your iPad, on your laptop, on your PC, everywhere. But Ninja Trader you can't really use. It's not user friendly, especially on your phone or iPad. Okay, so get that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. You can ask. Yeah, you can do that, but I don't do the swing trade. I don't like it because then I can't sleep. I'm gonna think all the time. Yeah, but yes, for the long run, if you go to the higher time frames, yes, you can do that because you're basically doing the same thing in hourly and dailies. So you can expect, okay, for example, this, right? So you're like, okay, this daily is about to flip. You can get into some buys, stops at maybe current daily or maybe this because you're trading like doing the swing trade. You might gonna hold trades for maybe like 2 3 days, maybe 2 3 weeks, who knows. So you're like, okay, once this starts breaking these highs or this flip, I'm gonna place my stops with at this zone or this previous dailies and expecting the price to go maybe here or higher highs, you know. But even with the dailies, right now, you see the price is in the ranging section. So once it breaks this, that's the point where the swing traders make a lot of money because, for example, this whoever like sell when they see the first push down in the gold, I mean, and they hold for like they're like, okay, now the price is in the uh, downtrend. So the same thing when we expect, like for example, this hourly. Okay, the hourly starts pushing up, and most likely, like at least expect 2 3 hourly candles towards upside. So the same if you expect with the daily, that's like 4 500 ticks with the one candle, and that's like 1,000 2,000 3,000 ticks you can catch with doing the same exact thing but on the daily one. Yeah, you can try it out if you want to do that, but then you have to pay like the swap fees and you know, all those things, so you need to. Mm, yeah, 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 but you're talking about doing the swing on the with the lucid with the future fund. Yeah, weekend. Yeah, most of the forex firms like they allow you to hold the during the weekends. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. So why you want to do the pro firm? Why not your personal capital? Yeah, yeah. Do that. That's with the pro firm. I don't think it's suitable doing the swing with them because then it will take you like maybe who knows few days to few weeks just to pass that, and like it's pro firm swing trading. Even then all these pro firms they have these news rules, especially the CFT ones. So if your trade is open, you're like, okay, I'm gonna hold this for maybe like 2 3 days, and there's, let's say, FOMC upcoming or this news, and your trade is still open, they're gonna breach you. Yeah, so it's better to, yeah, just try with your own capital, like make it separate. See, this is why I don't do that as well. Yeah, when I started, I told you my story. I started with the crude oil, man. I'm Even though I was scalping, and our scalp soon enough switched to the swing trade when it's in drawdown, and I won't be able to sleep. I'm telling you, I'm all the time I need to be in the trade. Like if I'm out, I'm gonna look for the next entry in next few minutes, and then I'm on in. I don't care if I'm in the drawdown or if it's going in my my direction. I have to be in the trade, and whenever you're in trade, you can't sleep. So that my sleeping cycle was literally ruined. I I don't know about the timings, like what are the session times, how the news work. You see all these people like coming new in the chat or in the VIP who have no idea how it works. I was the same. All I want just to be in the trade forever. Like I want to be in, I don't care if it's in drawdown or, you know, you get that hit, like that dopamine hit. Oh, I mean, yeah. So yeah. Yeah, no, there is no doubt that you're gonna make most amount of money when you do the swings. That's no doubt. Like because scalping, yes, if you are like the way we do, that's different story. But the most of these traders, what they do, like 1 minute, 5 minute, and they're gonna trade like maybe 20, 30, 40 trades per session or per day. That's the more chances you're gonna lose. The thing with the swing, once you get in, right, you you don't trade like maybe next 2 3 days, and the less you trade in the market, in the long run, the more money you're gonna make. So the same thing with us, like we trade like 1 or 2 max trades per session. So that's, I think, the main thing which makes us more profitable as compared to all the other traders, you know. Oh, you lost it. Oh, okay. So you have really bad memory with the swing. That's why you don't want to try it. Personal capital. But that's the only reason. If I mean, that's the only way. If you want to do the swing, man, you need to be on your personal, because then these pro firms are. There are some. I used to trade with them. They're still there, I don't want to say the name right now because I'm not sure what are their conditions. And they also have 200k and 300k accounts, and I always get like 200ks, 300ks. Like, I don't know why I don't take trades like in small account size like 25ks, 50ks, 100ks when I used to do with the forex one. I always go for minimum 100, 200, 300. So they still have like the decent account size and decent rules. If you're interested, I think they allow the swing trade as well. Let me check. Okay, hourly and 4 hours starts flipping, but you see the price already pushed up. So this is not as safe to take those buys here. Just saying. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Could be. What you eating? Yeah. Yeah. The push one. What was the name? Hole. Yeah, taking the trade on this flip, it's not worth it. Even though if it go up, it's not worth it because there is high chances that the price gonna start retracing from here, and yeah, and you don't want that. Bro, negative 170. Why, Hamza? How? The price literally push up around 250 ticks. You cannot be wrong in this trade. You cannot. The max wrong you are, it take you out at break even. That's it. So how you negative 170? Or maybe you try to copy somebody else. Hmm. Yeah, take care, man. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Where is Kitty? I think she makes so much money. All she wanted to make is like 100. Now she probably make like 250 and she's gone. It's just me and the Habibi. So what's up, YouTube chat?